everyone, welcome to Gus 2 Wheeling. Blue skies today. Finally, we've had rain here for the past couple days. We had like a couple inches of rain. It rained all day long for the past 2 days, so finally it's cleared up. Beautiful day, blue skies. Out here with Honda VTX 1300R, the workhorse, and we're gonna take a little short ride to this park called Red Rock Wilderness Overlook Park. And it's a 67-acre park. It's got a lot of hiking trails, and we're going to take a little short hike and go over to the Overlook and look down at the Potomac River. So come on along. Okay. All right. Head on over there. These are all new buildings here. I think they're apartments, and then downstairs they have shops and stuff, different kind of stores, businesses. Oh, there's one of them new Broncos. Those things are expensive, especially when you go high up in the trim levels. It's no joke. Yeah, finally beautiful day, boy. The past couple days have been nothing but rain. That sump pump at the house been going off and on. It really poured. You know spring has arrived when the mulch gets delivered. They mulch everything around here. Yeah, but beautiful weather, boy. Finally. It's taken a long time for it to get warm this spring, that's for sure. When I got back from High Knob Fire Tower, you know, my last video, if y'all watched it, oh man, I was tired. I got home like around 9:20 in the evening, and it got colder because right when I got to Winchester, had to put on an extra layer of clothing because it was getting cold. Then I got home, took a shower, looked at a couple video clips, and went to bed. And it didn't take me long to look at the back of my eyelids that night. Man, that was a long day. School's out. Taking the kiddies home. Alrighty. This is our exit. Should be near here. Is that it? Yes, it is. I really wanted to pack in. Yeah, and on this park, they've got a lot of historic buildings. Check them out. All right, we'll back on in. All right. Okay. Red Rock Wilderness Overlook Regional Park. I'll hold the camera there for a second in case y'all want to pause and read. 67 acres, mostly wooded. Situated along the Potomac River on the outskirts of Leesburg. Nice. This the land was donated to Nova Park, which is Northern Virginia Regional Park Authority, in 1978. Cool. Look at this bus. It's got a skeleton in the back seat. I don't know if y'all can see that. All right, let's check out this building. So this is a well house. The well house was constructed of poured concrete and was used for storing water on the farm. Okay. Pretty cool. Wow. I wonder, was there a date on that? No. Oh, it was constructed, yes, right here in 1885. Wow. What's this other building? Let's go look. Two-chambered granary. This was used, the two-chambered granary was used for storing threshed grain until it was either sold or consumed. Okay. Hold that there for a second in case y'all want to pause it and read it. Wow. Beautiful stone. Still looks good after all these years, huh? Nice. Oh, we got one more building here. Wow. Probably on the other side. Wow, it's like one long building, but section wall in the middle. Oh, this was the carriage house. Constructed in the 1880s and was used until 1930. I'll hold that there for a second so y'all can pause and read. Okay, talk to the guy that had that bus. So if you go this way, it's half a mile. If you go the other way, it's 9/10 of a mile. So let's head on down. And it's probably, he said it's muddy too, because like I said earlier, it's the rain we've had the last couple of days. Over there looks better. I'll be cleaning my shoes when I get home. Yeah, once we got past that, he says it's not that bad. So all these years living in this area, I didn't even know this was back here. I mean, I know the Potomac River is nearby. I mean, there's other, White's Ferry, Algonquian Park. It's a lot easier hike than going up Shenandoah Mountain to the fire tower in the last. Supposed to be wildlife in here. Haven't seen any yet, but there's a lot of deer. A lot of fallen trees here. Go this way. That should be the water treatment plant over there. All right, we made it. Nice breeze up here. I don't think you can make it out, but look at all the wood drifting along. Look how high the water is, almost reaching the branches of those trees over there. That is the Maryland side. Pretty cool. They got these locks here on the fence of different couples. December of 21. They got a couple's initials on there. There's a few of them. Come on here. Nice bench to sit down. Oh yeah. Yeah, the river's up. That was a lot of rain the past 2 days too. Yeah, Potomac River. Keep going to the right. It'll take you on down into Washington, D.C., our nation's capital. Get one last look and start heading on back. Just, yes, right here just off of Edwards Ferry Road. They don't have much of a sign, except, well, right there, but we came from that direction, we missed it. But until I recognized those old buildings, I said, that's got to be it. Well, all right. Thank you all for stopping by to watch the video. Hope you all enjoyed that. That was a nice, nice overlook. Really enjoyed it. Hope you all did too. Click like on the video. Post any comments down below. And consider clicking that subscribe button for more Gus 2 Wheeling. Y'all take care, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye now.